ये सीन का ब्रीफ तो डिसाइड किया
I
है
told you
तुमने?
not to
फिर क्या
message
हुआ?
me
कहाँ गया
anymore.
वो डिस्कशन कहाँ गया? बस दिमाग को क्या तुमने कब्र में डाल रखा
But you could have
है?
avoided the bloody message.
कबीर कबीर
Don't
तुम
you
तुम
dare
बहुत ऑफ ट्रैक जा रहे हो पता
realize
है
this
तुम्हें?
with me right now, you asshole.
और अगर इस वीकेंड तक मुझे ड्राफ्ट नहीं मिला तो आई एम सॉरी, आई एम रियली सॉरी, मैं तुम्हारी कोई हेल्प नहीं कर पाऊंगा इस बार।
You're so
प्रोडक्शन मेरे सर पे बैठा
fucked
हुआ है, मुझे जवाब देना
up.
पड़ता है आगे मैं किसको क्या बोलूं मैं? इस
You
वीकेंड तक
can't keep
ड्राफ्ट नहीं
calling me
मिला
again and
तो
again
मैं
like
तुम्हारी
this.
कोई
ये
हेल्प नहीं
ध्यान
कर
है
पाऊंगा।
कहाँ?
प्रोडक्शन मेरे सर पे बैठा
What's
हुआ
your
है,
joke,
मैं
you
किसको
asshole?
जवाब दूं? क्या क्या
You want to
बोलूं?
start up all of this again?
हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ हाँ, कैसी हो?
टाइम मिल गया तुझे? कैसा है? सना कैसी है?
मैं ठीक हूँ मैम, काम ही कर रहा था। सना भी ठीक है। आप बताइए।
इतना क्या बिजी हो गया है जो फोन भी नहीं उठा पा रहा है?
अरे नहीं मम्मा, काम में बिजी था।
ऐसा कौन सा काम कर रहा है कि एक फोन नहीं लगता तुझसे?
अरे माँ सच में, वो मेड भी नहीं आ रही आजकल तो साफ सफाई भी खुद ही करनी पड़ती है।
अच्छा, छुट्टी क्यों ली हुई है उसने? हेलो
माँ
कबीर।
देखो, मंडे से जाना शुरू कर देना चाहिए।
अच्छा ठीक है, ख्याल रख, फोन करना फ्री होके। और फोटो भेज अपनी, इतने दिन हो गए तेरी शक्ल देखे हुए।
हाँ माँ ठीक है, मैं भेजता हूँ फोटो। और मैं बाद में बात करता हूँ, थोड़ा बिजी हूँ अभी। ओके।
बाय।
ओके।
कबीर, क्या डिलीट किया है? Why did you message me when I told you not to?
क्या हो गया यार, आपने क्या कर दिया?
Told you not to message me anymore. I just want to get over all this, and you're just making it so much more difficult for me than it already is now.
और सना, इतना बड़ा कैसे बन जाता है यार सब कुछ? People just avoided the call, no? Why do you want to know about the message?
Why'd you fucking send it to me, you asshole? Of course it concerns me.
Listen, it was nothing. कुछ जरूरी नहीं था।
जरूरी नहीं था तो भेजा क्यों यार? In the first place, why? Why do you want to start up all of this
Sorry,
again?
I'm sorry. This is too much work. समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है।
How fucked up are you? You fucking sleep with friends with people you say you love. You know what? Just die.
में कॉल करता है यार, नहाने जा रहा था।
अरे कितने दिनों से एक फोन नहीं उठा रहा है कहाँ तू? पापा भी पूछ रहे थे तेरे लिए।
अरे क्या इतने दिनों से बात नहीं हुई है, परसों ही तो किया था फोन।
फोन किया था पर उठाया कहाँ तूने? सना को भी फोन किया था, उसने भी नहीं उठाया। सब ठीक तो है ना कबीर? हेलो।
माँ मैं 10 मिनट में फ़ोन करता हूँ यार आपको। हाँ हेलो।
Kabir, क्या delete किया है? Why did you message me when I told you not to? I want to get over all this shit and you're just making it so much more difficult than it already is for me, यार.
यार एक सेकंड यार, परसों रात को कहा थी तुम?
What? How does that concern you? Why should I tell you? You know, for all you care, I was on a date. That was fucking something.
यार तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम क्या है यार?
कि मुझे जानना है कि उस मैसेज में क्या था.
It was nothing important.
जरूरी नहीं था तो भेजा क्यों?
यार I'm sorry, forwarded message था, गलती से चला गया यार, sorry.
You fucking sleep with friends of people you say you love. You're so fucked up. Why don't you just go and die? You know, I'm disconnecting you. I dare you call me again or message me.
To acquaint you with an entertainment product which we hope and which we rather expect will make your product pushing MLB. What you're about to see, gentlemen, is a series called The Twilight Zone. We think it's a rather special kind of series. Essentially, people watch television to get entertained. And the keynote of this series, the thing we're concerned with, the thing we're aiming for, the thing we're working toward is entertainment. This is a series for the storyteller. Because it's our thinking that an audience will always sit still and listen, and let me very briefly show you what we
कौन है बे?
तुम्हें
नहीं पता? I thought you knew about this.
Knew about what? बाहर निकलो नहीं तो सर तोड़ दूंगा तुम्हारा।
Okay, this may come as a shock. First rule, don't freak out.
तुम मेरे घर में मेरे बाथरूम में हो and you're asking me not to freak out. The fuck? Who the fuck are you? Look, I know it's a little unsettling. ये गलती से तुमने पूरे घर का हुलिया भी बदल डाला है, क्योंकि ये मेरा घर है यार। पागल हो गए हो क्या यार? क्यों खेल रहे थे उससे? इससे? You seriously don't know what's going on? Fuck. I actually saw you sleeping a couple of hours ago. I thought you'd come for a reason. ये क्या हो रहा है यार? मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. You just discovered this. Wait, discover what? Time traveling. हाँ. नहीं. I'm not gonna write this. अरे so when your AD has shown you a fucking great reference, then you ask your AD to write it. यार मेरे से नहीं होगा ये. नहीं, मैं नहीं करूँगा. अच्छा ठीक है परसों मिलते हैं. ओके. What was that all about? You're also a writer? Usually things in a different universe are pretty opposite. I know of a universe where the United States doesn't exist. You know, Shakespeare के बारे में कोई नहीं जानता वहाँ पर. And the biggest literary of those times is Christopher Marlowe. यार तुम चाहते क्या हो यार? मेरी मत मानो. मौसम कैसा था कल? Why the fuck is it so cold?
तो ये कैसे होगा? I mean, you being you, me being me, but you are me and I'm you. How?
Well, जैसा कि मैं बता रहा था तुम्हें, अलग दुनिया, अलग सोच, अलग आउटकम्स, अलग कॉफी. I went to the one where Columbus doesn't exist. You know, Hollywood ही नहीं है वहाँ पे. Can you imagine? हाँ पर तुम उस डायरेक्टर से कैसे बात कर रहे थे? He comes to pull off something like. यार सिंपल सी चीज़ है. मतलब I came here to work for myself, not for him or anyone else. कितना चूतिया लगता है ना जब कोई कहता है कि मैं उनके अंडर काम कर रहा हूँ. वे अंडर क्या होता है बे? Anyway, it's been 9 years since I've been working here now. 9 years? College? College गया ही नहीं. Came here, started working as an AD. कुछ writers को assist किया, बस. 3 फिल्में लिख चुका हूँ. I'll be starting my film soon. I mean, I've always dreamt of this directing. You should. It's high time. Look at you. हाँ लेकिन मुझे सिर्फ 2.5 साल हुए. You've been here for 9 years. एक मिनट यार, when you're making so much money तो why are you living in this shithole? मैं तो कब से निकलना चाह रहा हूँ यहाँ से. It's because of this. So tell me what happened exactly. Exactly तो मुझे याद नहीं है. But I recently broke up with my girlfriend Sana. We spoke for a few minutes the other day, and that night she died. You know, I used this for my purge writing. बस उसी दिन इसके साथ में कुछ कर रहा था, and then I think I went to sleep. सुबह उठा तो तुम मेरे बाथरूम में मूत रहे. कल भी शायद आज था या what's the date today?
14th May.
Fuck यार, उसको बचा सकता था. Chill. You got time in your hands.
यार सिगरेट है क्या तुम्हारे पास?
I quit some months back.
So how does this work now? Will I be able to go back?
You can't.
What? And what about Sana?
अबे तुमको सुनने में तकलीफ होती है क्या बे? I've told you, got the time in your hands. You can leave after midnight. Also, I suggest you've just started with that thing. Stay away from it. It's quite dangerous. You know, I've seen a lot of bad things happen to people with that thing.
What do you mean people? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? How do you think I've managed to come so far?
You want to make superhero movies about?
Why?
What do you write, Mr. Sad Tea Thinker? है यार कुछ. Been working on since the past 4 years. It's on the recent independence of India.
Independence from what?
The monarchy.
Monarchy?
Yeah. कुछ 26 साल हुए हैं अभी.
You mean kingship ended 26 years ago?
नहीं यार, you're kidding. इतना चूतिया नहीं हूँ यार. अरे no, I'm serious. The Antarcticans are quite crazy. I've seen some really brutal things happen to people here, yeah, when I was a kid. In fact, there are some Antarctic colonies still.
So that's why the color of the building is the same.
No, that was us. This area was under the Antarcticans, so we're rebelling.
You mean we're in danger right now?
As a great mind once said, expose yourself to your deepest fear. Fear has no power, and the fear of freedom shrinks and vanishes.
Jim fucking Morrison showed us the white blind light.
And continues.
I mean, yeah, technically yes, but
No. I mean, he's doing great even now.
what do you mean doing great even now?
See?
And what about Club 27?
Club 27? Oh, no. We didn't get that shit, thankfully. I went for that concert and they performed The Spy. And fuck, man. Wow.
That's the song which will always make me regret what I did with Sana. Anyway, मेरी छोड़ो. तुम्हारी लाइफ में और कौन है?
माँ और बाबा है शोग्राम में.
शोग्राम?
हाँ, बालाकोट से कुछ 34 किलोमीटर दूर है. एंड यार तुम सीरियस डेटिंग के बारे में पूछ रहे हो तो देयर इज समबडी कॉल्ड निकिता, बट आई डोंट नो हाउ फार इट्स गोना गो. तो अगर तुम ऐसे 3 बार आधा घुमाओगे तो एक दिन पीछे जाओगे, और अगर 3 बार पूरा घुमाओगे तो एक दिन आगे जाओगे. उस दिन तुमने क्या किया एग्जैक्टली मुझे नहीं मालूम, बट आई थिंक इट मस्ट हैव बीन द कॉन्शियस ऑफ द टाइमर आल्सो.
अभी मुझे क्या करना होगा?
This. So you have to spin the timer 6 times. Just focus on where you want to travel to, and keep writing down the memories that come to your head. फिर paper planes बना लेना बस.
Paper planes.
Yeah, I know सुनने में थोड़ा अजीब है, but यही है. फिर उसके बाद घंटी बजेगी.
घंटी?
और सब बदल जाएगा.
मतलब आवाज आती है?
हाँ, आवाज आती है. I know you must not have realized, पर ये तुम्हारा तीसरी बार है. First time consciously actually.
Thanks. Kabir.
It's okay. Just keep writing, man. And for that director thing you were talking about, you know, just be open with these people, यार. Drive it like you stole it. और इतना सोचा मत करो यार. क्या होएगा इतना सोच के?
बहुत कुछ हो गया यार. आपकी ड्रम भी अलग है.
चलो great. Now you start with what I've told you. मैं कुछ काम कर लेता हूँ. Okay. जैसे तुम्हें ठीक लगे वैसे. Will you do something for me though? एक आखिरी चीज समझ के.
What?
What are you doing tonight?
कुछ नहीं. क्यों?
मतलब it's Friday. You must have some plan.
What do you want, Kabir?
I don't want you to stay at home. I want you to go out and party.
What? तुम्हें क्यों लगता है मैं ये सब करूँगी तुम्हारे लिए?
ये ख़त्म करने के लिए बाहर जाओ, दारू पियो. I'm going to do the same.
Kabir, you're being really weird right now.
Yes, I'm being weird and we have to do this. फिर मैं तुम्हें 12 बजे फ़ोन करूँगा. Just talk to me for 10 minutes and I will not trouble you after this, I promise.
Is it some sort of a stupid ritual that you do with your girlfriends post your breakup that you've never told me about?
Yes, it's a stupid ritual and we have to do this. मैं इसे ख़त्म नहीं करूँगा.
You know what? You're right. I'll go party tonight for sure. That bitch is gonna be there. My bestie. Maybe I'll kick her ass.
तुम्हें जो अच्छा लगे करो यार. Just don't stay at home please and I will call you at 12, so answer my call. Hey,
क्या है?
just call to check.
You know, you can't keep calling me again and again like this. I'm at work right now, Kabir.
Sana, you are going out, no?
Yes, Kabir. And also just to let you know, I'm going out because it's Friday night और क्योंकि मेरा मन कर रहा है बाहर जाने का. I'm going to drink because I feel like fucking drinking.
Awesome. Great. तुम्हें जो सही लग रहा है करो. पर दोस्त के घर जा रही है तो लड़ाई मत करना.
How does it matter to you, यार? क्या कहीं और जाके बांटो?
अच्छा ठीक है. जो तुम्हारा मन है करो. Just be cool.
Oh, fuck off, Kabir.
12 बजे फ़ोन करता हूँ.
कबीर जल्दी बोलो जो बोलना है यार.
Sana, do you remember today? 15th of May. Hello? Are you there?
Yes, I remember the 15th of May, and guess what? I also remember the 8th of fucking November. Your Nikita, my Nikita, our Nikita. Well, I slapped that bitch at the party in front of everyone. She really had it coming. Huh?
Are you serious? Is everything okay?
Oh, of course, this concerns you, right? Yeah. Well, you should go call her and console her. In fact, hey, one second, what are you waiting for? Yeah? Why don't you come to Pune right now and fuck that?
Hello? Hello, Sana?
What यार कबीर क्या चाहिए यार तुम्हें तुम खुश हो ना यार you make things fucking ugly for everyone. Why don't you just go fuck yourself?
Hello? Hello, Sana? Where are you right now?
अरे कबीर यार it doesn't and it shouldn't matter.
Sana? Hello? Sana? Fuck!
Do you really want to do this, Sana? To me, to you, to us? We were our layers to each other. Like that strength they usually imagine. We knew us. I know the biggest reason is perhaps what I did to you. But I just want to say it out loud and clear that it meant nothing to me. People talk of all different meanings about love and about how it's supposed to be some big deal. But you know, that this explanation was not for us. We were different. We were happy. All those holidays, that fuck all film we had gone for, when we shared our first kiss, those beer chugging competitions at Toto's. I mean, do you seriously want to end it all? I know I've got temper problems. Pagal hi hu shayad, but I love you. And I love you till my last breath. I can assure you that if you're looking for something meaningful, something natural, then here it is. It's us. You know, this
Sana.